How to make him miss you badly. Sometimes when you are too close with your boyfriend, you begin to notice the spark is fading out. There is no better way to rekindle it than making him miss you a little, and remember why he has fallen for you in the first place. You can make your ex-boyfriend miss you by reminding him how it was when your relationship was great. No matter who the guy is, you can make him miss you like crazy, just by creating space between you two, controlling how you communicate, or use simple hints, like leaving your possession in his apartment to make him think about you. Soon enough, the passion that was in the beginning will come back to your relationship. Here are 8 ways to make the guy miss you badly. 1. Stop texting or calling him. If you want the guy to miss you, you can't constantly text or call him. Give it a break for a day or two, or just wait for him to reach out to you. When you stop calling or texting, he will start wondering why. This thought will stay in his mind, making him think more about you and eventually miss you. 2. Wait some time before returning his text messages. When we like someone, we run like crazy to the phone when that person calls or texts us. We feel so excited then. If you want your guy to miss you, he needs to wait for your response. For example, when he calls you, don't pick up immediately. Let the phone ring some time, or don't answer at all and let it go to voicemail. Wait some time and call him back saying you are really busy. When he text messages you, don't text back for 5 to 10 minutes. It will make him wonder what you might be doing without him. 3. Limit social media posts. If you like your Instagram or Facebook and constantly update your page with your activities, try to limit how much you post. Social media was created to better connect with people, and don't let them feel like they are missing you. If you start to post less, he will miss the knowledge of what's going on in your life. Just remember, if you use social media to communicate with your guy, you need to limit this kind of communications as well. When he doesn't hear from you for some time, he will start missing you and hopefully reach out. 4. Find a signature scent. Smell as a sense has the strongest connection with our brain, and can bring up even long-lost memories. Wear the same subtle scent every time he is around. He will begin to connect the scent with you and miss it when you are not around. Just make sure you don't wear it too much, because he may be turned off by the strong scent. And remember, to make it work, you need to use the same perfume every time you meet him. This also works very well with ex-boyfriends. If you wear the same scent you were wearing when you had a great time together, it will for sure remind him of these times. 5. Leave things at his house, or in his car. The best way to remind him of yourself is just casually leave something that belongs to you in his car or at his house. If he thinks a lot about you, he will miss you, and this is the great way to remind him about yourself. To create this subtle reminder of you, use something personal and small, that you don't need to have all the time with you. Good items are a pen or notebook, jewelry, a small picture, a hairbrush, or makeup. 6. Create space between you and him. He cannot miss you if you are there for him all the time. Create some space between you two. If you spent with him every free minute of your time, do something with your girlfriends or just away from him. Instead of spending Friday night with your man, stay at home alone or visit your friends. Yes, at the beginning he may like some time for himself, but after a few times he will start to miss your company. 7. Leave him wanting more. Whatever you do with your boyfriend or just a guy you like, always leave him wanting more. More time with you. More kisses. More texting. More laughter. More conversations. Make him want more of you by setting clear time limits. For example, tell him you have an important stuff to do, so you only have 1 hour for him. At the end of the night, give him just one sweet kiss, and let him dream about more. 8. Don't use it as a form of manipulation. It's natural you want your boyfriend to think more often about you, or ex-boyfriend to miss all the good times spent with you. Unfortunately, focusing too much on making him miss you will do more bad than good. Instead of moving on or just being happy, you will end up obsessively thinking about him. If he is your boyfriend, don't overdo it. If he is your ex-boyfriend, don't live the past. Just move on and focus on someone else instead. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to our channel and click that like button.